Okay, I'm going to quick review on Itek Charger. It's pretty neat. My roommate bought it. I don't know where she bought it at. It's a pretty neat little charger. Plug it into a charger thing like plug into a wall. And it flashes. Flashes several different colors. If you have problems finding your charger at night in the dark, this would really come in handy. A nice little charger. You can use it to charge your phones, tablets, whatever you need to charge. It's a pretty neat little charger. Like I said, I'm not sure where she bought it at, or how much she paid for it. I'm going to have to ask her. I might buy me one of these. Don't like it. It'd be really handy. Trying to find your charger at night in the dark. You need to charge your phone. Be an easy way to find it. Looks like blue, red, and green. Kind of like Christmas light colors, flashes. You plug it into a rubber charger that you plug into your wall. You plug it in your phone, tablet, whatever. Be great, but handy to keep it in your purse, backpack, glove compartment, stuff, or when you're out running around. I need to charge your phone when you're somewhere, doctor's office or restaurant or somewhere where you can sit down and charge. You know, you're going to be sitting down for a while and you got access to a electrical outlet. The main public transportation here is buses. They got a couple outlets, electrical outlets up toward the front of the bus where you can plug in your phones and stuff and charge them while you ride the bus. This is the Itek Charger Cord. Like I said, it's pretty neat. I'm on. I have to ask my roommate where she bought this at, so I can buy me one. I like it.